Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm surprised it came so quick. This right here, I'm gonna unbox in my last video I said that I had broke my my side mirror for my 2008 Toyota Avalon. So I ended up purchasing another one. It's not brand new, it's used, because a brand new one is too expensive, and also this one is a different paint color. So I bought it off eBay because the other one did not have the turn signal, as you guys saw what I had showed you guys. And this one is harder to open than the first one. First one was more easier. So put a lot of protection around it. So here it is. Tie it up in the other one was more thing, but they tied this one up in the bag. I guess they didn't want no that was quick that they send it though. This one came quick. This one is actually it's a different color. I think it was blue or black. Well, this one is black. It's black. And yeah, it had looked blue online. Here it is, guys. It had looked blue online, but it's actually black. You guys can see the reflection of it. So yes, I'm happy because guess what? It have the light underneath, and I have the turn signal. So you guys could see it. So you guys seen the reflection. So, and the one, you have the 3 bolts on it as well, even though I could use my old one and replace the bolts. So now what I have to do is just take it to the paint shop to get it painted silver, just like my car. I'm so happy. I paid like $185 that I paid for it, and that's the cheapest that I found for the right side of my side mirror. So it was like, yeah, it was like 187 I paid. They already refund me my money back from the other one that I gotta send back. I just gotta wait on the mail for them to send me the sticker to send it, to ship it back to them for free. They already refunded me the money, which is $55 I paid for it. The only difference with the other one, it don't have the turn signal. It have the heated mirror, but it didn't have the turn signal. This was a quick ship because I purchased this like on, say, Saturday, because I did it Friday night. I did it. So they shipped it from, I think this came from Chicago. This came from Chicago. Yeah, it came from Chicago. It shipped from Chicago and came all the way down here in Florida. So far I like it. Everything's look good. Have the light underneath and the turn signal, as you guys could see it. And the new one that the other one that I bought did not have that. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. You know, it was quick and it was fast. Even though this is used, I'd rather have my turn signal than to have one turn signal work and the other one don't, because the other side mirror didn't have it. So that's why I had to ship that one back, and I'm just waiting on the mail to come for when they send me the sticker. I could just take it to UPS and just ship it back to the company for free. And I love the company the company wasn't bad that I purchased off of eBay, because they already refunded me the money, which was like $55, which is not bad. But this one, which is the real one, just a different color, is just black. Yeah. The newer one of this is like $500 and up, especially if I go to the dealership, be like around 5 and change. And if I want to get it painted, it's probably going to be more. The paint shop that I'm going to go, I'm going to see if they could give me a deal to paint it silver. You got to get the color code from my car, probably from the side of the door. Of course, make sure the coating is correctly. The paint is going to be the right one that match my car, so that's why they have to get the color code. But I'm thankful, I am happy that I got the right one this time, even though I paid more, but it's worth it. And I'm gonna, after when I pick up my sister from school and drop her home, I'm gonna take this to the paint shop and get a quote. And once the price is right, most likely it should be right, they probably might charge me maybe $50 just to paint this. Hopefully it's less. Hopefully the lady is there, because she's the owner. She had painted my bumper like 2 years ago when I had my 07, and it was still silver. And I think I didn't even pay that much to get it painted. And that was the bumper. So, and it was the whole bumper, not just half, not just a little part. It was the whole thing. So I think they're gonna have to sand this whole thing down. And yeah, they're gonna have to sand the whole thing down, and yeah, they're gonna have to sand it down and prime it, and then repainted it silver, and it should work. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to, it's easy to replace. I'm going to show you, it's easy to install. As I said, it's only 3 bolts. I just have to remove that plastic piece right there and remove the bolts. I think it's like a 10mm socket to remove it, which is like, I think this is a 10. Yeah, 10mm. Perfect, and it fits. The 10mm fits. I just got to get my my wrench to connect it, to tighten it up, to loose that one up, and it's a connector, which is the connectors right here. You just press it down to release it. It's going to be on that side. Press it down to release it, and just pull out, and it'll release it. Once I take out all the screws, that other one should come off, and then I'll just replace this one. But that's all I want to share with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. This is the correct one. It was used, but it have the turn signal, the heated mirror, and the light underneath it at the nighttime. It's that if you drop something, you can see what you drop when you walk up to the close. When you walk up close to the vehicle, the light will illuminate. It'll turn on automatically, and I love that feature. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Until I upload another video showing you guys how to install the side mirror. Easy and simple. It's just that these are very expensive when you purchase them brand new. But if the used one works, and you pay to paint it, and it's end up being cheaper than the brand new one, hey, why not? You know. Yeah, so it's a beautiful day today in Florida, nice and sunny. Hope you guys enjoy this quick unboxing. I am so excited. I am very happy. I'm just a little tired, like I need some sleep. I really do need some sleep. But I am going to do my best today to take it to the paint shop. You know, it's like, I don't know how far away, maybe 15 minutes away from here. Maybe about that, and I'm gonna get it replaced, get it repainted, because it's gonna look ugly if I put a black side mirror on a silver car. It's not gonna look right. So I'm gonna get it painted, then I'm gonna do the video to install it, guys. Thank you so much for everybody who's been rocking with me. I really appreciate the love and the support. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Be safe out there, guys, until I upload another one. Peace.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money.